Tonight on the Roadhouse, I'm going to open up this Savior, which I don't like the name of it, so I'll just call it Savor. This Savor equipment. It is a gun rack, a 3-gun rack for more modern type stuff, or you can put your older stuff on it. Let's see what this thing is. Let's get this thing started. Roadhouse is sponsored by Finley River Towing and Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. Speedy's does all your media blasting and powder coating. Big or small, they do it all. Finley River Towing takes care of all your high-end to low-end towing needs. Call Finley River Towing if you're in the Ozark or Branson area. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. It's got tape and staples, so be careful with your knife as you open this thing up. It looks packed pretty well, so I'm opening it up with this Kershaw automatic knife. I've got a video on it. Take a look at it. All right, this is packed really well. Heck, it even comes with some targets. All right, we got plastic around it, and then it's got foam at the bottom. It comes with the screws that you're going to need. And if you're looking at that, it comes with a bunch of targets and the cardboard. Didn't want to waste this cardboard. I kind of like that. All right. Wow. Really like this setup. Made out of a lot of like rubber tubing here on top of metal to where your weapons will not be scratched. And the main reason I like this was because of this. This thing can swing back and forth. This is the bottom portion, and you can have it at whatever angle you want here, and it's got a little cutler key in here to stop it wherever you want. That's really nice. Now this was $49.99 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. And for 50 bucks, I was really impressed. This is for the top. Same thing, cutler, and it rotates. Wow. What you're going to need for this is, looks like a Phillips screwdriver. I'd use a screwdriver, electric screwdriver of some sort, like this. And it's going to need, you're going to need a stud finder. And I can't come to your house to fix this for you. So the stud finder, you're going to have to find. If you didn't say that joke to yourself, then I can't help you. Phillips comes with all the screws. What you're going to do is you're going to find a stud in your wall. You're going to put this up there wherever you want it, height-wise. You can adjust. I mean, if you want your weapons to be this far apart, or if you want your weapons to have the base here and the top here, you can. You can move it out depending on the rifles that you want to put in here, and screw it to your wall. Then it rotates. This is nice. They have 3 different colors that I saw. I think they had black, gray, and this tan, coyote type tan, and I'm on a coyote type kick here lately. So that's what I went with. As far as packing goes, this thing was packed really nice. As far as the name goes, I wouldn't name anything Savior when there's only one of them. So, Savor Equipment. It says the pursuit of innovation starts here. Well, they definitely did something that hasn't been done in a long time. I think dating back to where you could buy those gun racks and put them on your wall where they were long ways. I don't think anything's been done like that and like this in a long time. So I'm anxious to see how it works. I had this little spot and I was able to put it right where I wanted it. You can adjust these if I wanted it lower, I wanted it higher. You can see where I'm going to have to fix that little spot there because I put it a little bit too short for this short rifle that I wanted it put at. So you can put these things in behind your clothing in your closet, anywhere really. It's supposed to hold 75 pounds. I know this is a sideways picture, which I hate to video like this, but this is kind of what I did really quick. I have a weapon that I can use right away with the rifle. I've got a pistol really close, extra ammo for the rifle, and then I've got my competition belt that I'm setting up, which I'll have videos on really soon. Which is a new thing that I'm getting into in the Roadhouse. And I really like the setup here. What did you think of the Savior Equipment gun rack? They come in a lot more, I think up to 6. The 3 that I got holds 75 pounds, which I really like. Now I love the fact that, I love almost everything about it. I love the fact that it's only 3 gun. That way I can put it one weapon in there and a few extra magazines like I did, and a gun belt for my pistol. Love it. You can put this thing anywhere. You can put it behind clothes in a closet. You can put it behind stuff. You can put it almost anywhere. It comes in big racks. If I was building a gun room right now, I would have several sets of those in the 6 gun rack. That way, out of my safe, I could put it on that. It's a beautiful system. Works really well. Holds all that weight that I showed you earlier, so I know that it'll probably hold 75 pounds. Love it to death. What do you think about it? Let me know down in the comments. Is it something you like? Is it something that you would get? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And let everybody know about the Roadhouse. Thank you all for watching, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet.